there is a give and take a billion people today who are dependent on desalination in some way, shape and form on planet Earth. And we see that the need for desalinated water is just increasing dramatically. What does Waterize do? Well, we are combining two worlds of technology, existing technologies, into a new and we think a more clever way of doing RO desalination. Because we go subsea and we utilize the hydrostatic pressure, the weight of the water above your head, we're able to save energy. And we save somewhere between 30 and 40%. It depends a little bit on kind of salinity, temperature, those kind of things, but give and take 30 to 40% energy reduction.